Hey, if you want to install the battery into your Nokia 105 from 2023, first of all, you have to open your cover. So if you don't know how to do this, let me show you step by step. So when you hold your phone like this, you have to rotate your phone on the right side, and in this place, you can find a small cutout. So you can use your fingernail, for example, and gently move this cover like this. Just slap it with your finger, and then from here you can also use your fingernail, and now with your two fingers just gently start moving this cover around and it will be jumps out. Now from here we've got the battery input. So as you can see right here, we've got the gold pins, and the same pins we can also find right here on the right bottom corner of the battery. So we have to get this Nokia logo at the top. So I can recommend you to put this battery like this and then slide with your finger gently. And now just press on the battery, and as you can see, it is inside. So next we have to put back this back cover. I can recommend you to start from the flashlight. So try to fit it like this. If it is actually sticking this corner, you can press with your fingers here, here, and also right here, just all around the phone. And now when you press the power button, so that's actually the power button, you can actually turn on and off your phone. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.